Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button. I make videos about make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. Today I'm gonna reveal to you a method with which you can make money doing nothing. Seriously, you just have to do nothing and you are gonna make money out of it. How you are gonna do is everything will be revealed in this video. Just what you have to do is press the like button. Okay, now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. I will be revealing to you how to make money online doing literally nothing at all. Okay, so what you have to do is just type in here live. Wait, live T-Rex. Okay, live T-Rex game. This is just what you have to type in over here. Okay, and what you have to do is just check one of these videos. You may see this. See, there are many of the options. Live playing Subway Surfers, live T-Rex game. Okay, what you have to do is just open it. You can see that someone is just streaming this game, okay, and he is just doing this and making money out of it. How he is doing it, what he is doing, okay, that can be seen. Okay, this was started on 20th October, okay, and still it is running live now. So what this guy is earning a great amount of money out of this. I will show you in Social Blade how much he is earning out of this video. Okay, now let's go to Social Blade. Okay, socialblade.com, and we'll see how much this guy is earning. Okay, now let's type his name here, SLADE. Okay, the name of the channel is Slade, and we'll be checking how much revenue this guy is generating. And now after watching this, I will be revealing to you how you can do this and make money out of it. Okay, so let's see his channel, how much money he is making. He is making almost 4.9k to 9.2k every single month and making almost $950,000. That means almost $1 million just by uploading this, just by live streaming this type of simple videos. So this is awesome, this is insane. So how you are going to do this, that's what I'm gonna reveal to you in this video. So stick in this video until the end. Okay, now let's go see. Just by doing this, he is not playing this game, he has just left it over. Okay, now how you can do this, that's what I'm gonna show to you in this video. All you have to do is go to this website, which is known as lgoog.im/trex/bot. Okay, and what you have to do is just play this, what you have to do is click on this bot activated button and just let this game play. This dinosaur is going to play almost by itself and you don't require to do anything. Okay, now what you have to do is just live stream this screencast. And how you are going to live stream this screencast is what you require one of the software. Okay, so this is the software which you require to live stream this. Okay, this is known as OBS Studio. All you have to do is just download this to your computer and you are ready to go. What you can do is that if you have any PC, old PC lying at your home, you can just do let that PC install this software on that PC and just let it play this live stream. Okay, you can just try it for 1 or 2 days in the starting, and if you get some good result, then you can just stream it for almost a month, 10 to 20, 30 days, as many as days as you want. Okay, and you can start earning money out of it. Okay, many people are making so much money out of this simple method. What they are doing is just that they are live streaming this type of stuff, and they are making money out of it. Nothing has to be, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is start your PC and keep it on and keep it live streaming absolutely for some of the days. okay, then you can make this out, and you can almost get almost thousands of subscribers in just a weeks, okay, and you can make a good amount of money doing this simple trick. Okay, many of the people are earning very much money out of this. And if you don't want this game, you can also live stream other games, like for example this video. This is one of the Android game which is playing over here, and you can see this, all these videos are live. See here also, this is a live video about this game. This is also, you can see here also, all these are almost this type of videos. Now this is insane. You can earn insane amount of money just by doing this simple thing. Okay, many of the people are earning money out of this, so it is great for you. All you have to do is just place a live video so that you can rank among this top 5 or 6 videos. Not many people are doing this. You can see this, if I search for live only, there are 1 2 3 4 channels are live at a time. So there are no more channels, and there is not much competition there. Over here you can earn a very good amount of money just by doing this simple trick. So if you like this video, if you like my content, if you got some idea how to make money online, then what I recommend to you is that you just go over to this channel which is known as Moneymaker 001 and press the subscribe button. And you can also check out other videos on my channel which will provide you a ton of value on how to make money online. I create videos for make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. So just jump into this field which is which has a great potential of earning you a very good amount of money. So yeah, just get it on, just take action. Just comment down below if you are going to take action on this method. All you have to do is utilize your old PC and use this software known as OBS Studio, which you can download in your computer, which I am currently using to record this video. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.